guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Cinderella's wedding dress on Dress to Impress. So let's remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. Wow, okay, for the hair I used these bangs here in this color, DBA051. Go to updo and then select this one in that same color. Then for the crown, I used this one in blue, D2F1FF, this one. Put the Y 2.69, Z 0.52. Rotate the X to 0.31, scale it to 0.20. For the veil, use this one in white. I just made it a little bit bigger. I think I'm just going to rotate it more like this. Rotate the X to 0.7, scale it to 1. For the outfit, you do need the trendsetter gown. Get this in the toggle no ruffles and color both items in white. Get this Christmas event fit in all matte in white. Like this. Then we are going to also get the choker in white. You can also use the one outside if you don't have this one. Then for the sleeves, I'm just going to use these ones. Wait, where is it? This one. And if you have VIP, combine it with these gloves. And the third, toggle in no fur. And that is Cinderella's wedding dress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.